I'm doing a video for a multi-step equation project. So for 6b, we're gonna cross multiply for this one. So x gets multiplied by 5, which becomes 5x. And then 2 multiplies 2, which is 4. And then you want to isolate x, so you want to divide 5 by 5, and that vanishes. And since you divided 5, you have to divide 5 by 4, and x becomes 4 over 5, and that's the answer. For this question, we're going to try to isolate x again. So we're going to minus 0.05 by 0.05, and that disappears. But since you minus 0.05, you're gonna do that to 0.26, and that becomes 0.21. And you're gonna isolate x, so you're gonna divide 3 by 3, and that vanishes. And since you divided by 3, you're gonna divide 3 for 0.21, and x becomes 0.07, and that's the answer. For this question, x plus 0.25 is in brackets, and 2 is getting multiplied by the things inside the brackets. So you're going to multiply 2 by all of these numbers and variables. So it's going to be 2x plus 0.5 equals 0.54. And you want to isolate x. So you're going to subtract 0.5 to 0.5, and that disappears. But since you subtracted 0.5, you're going to subtract 0.5 to 0.54, which is 0.04. And you want to isolate x, so 2 divides by 2, and that becomes nothing. It's actually 1, but you don't put it there. And since you divided 2, you're going to divide 2 by 0.04, and that becomes 0.02, and that's the answer. For this question, we have two numbers with variables in them, and when we have that, we can add or subtract them. So basically, I'm gonna make this disappear to make it a 0, and add it to this, subtract to this. So I'm gonna do 0.5x subtracted by 0.5x, which becomes a 0, and I'm gonna subtract that 0.5x to the 0.25x, since I did it here, and that is gonna be negative 0.25x. So I want to put 0.25x here, so I'm gonna basically make this disappear here. So I'm gonna add 0.25x, and that disappears and comes here. So I'm gonna add the 0.25x since I added it here, and I want to isolate x, so this is gonna be 1.6 divided by 0.25, and the answer is gonna be 6.2. Thanks for watching. I mean 6.4, not 6.2. It's 6.4, my bad.